Okay. Oh my goodness. Dude! Notifications, I know. But today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an Oddbody. Today we're making the plushie Oddbody from, the Furby stuff, So what you're gonna need is a Furby. I'm using a McDonald's one, and something to attach the Furby face to. And we're gonna add some accessories at the end, but here's what and you're gonna need like glue to glue the faceplate onto the the new body. So yeah, let's begin. So first what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to cut the face off of the Furby. Now, don't worry, you can pretend like it's like sedated so it can't feel anything from there. Because we're gonna make him like new and like different and like pretty and like cool or whatever. So don't worry about it. You just gotta cut it off. And I'm just gonna do that off camera because I don't wanna mess it up. So my mom actually helped me with this one, and apparently like it goes all the way from in there. Also, this one's the one that like used to like chirp or whatever, just like Chirpy. I mean, Chirpy is kind of broken, but yeah. So you're gonna have to get that out, and you're gonna have to like go in from behind in the seams if you're using this kind of Furby. So that's interesting. I'm gonna continue with this. I'll be back in a second. So I needed help from my mom again, because they made these things like super duper duper well. So we managed to get it inside out, and I'm gonna use this for my final product, so I can use it as a keychain. And I'm gonna try to take it from here. This is taking so much more than I thought it would. Okay, so now we've got it out, and this is what it looks like. That's the endoskeleton, so if you ever wondered what they look like, here you go. This is the skin. Keeping this for, if I want to make one myself. Anyways. And now I'm gonna cut the face off of this one. Okay, so now that's done. I'm probably gonna use these eyes for something. Now it's time to put the Furby parts in. So this is what I've got so far. I put him in, and now we just gotta glue it and then add some accessories. So my mom suggested a drawstring, so I'm gonna try to do that with my sewing equipment over here. We'll see how that goes. Okay, now the face has been secured. And now we're going to add the accessories. Yay. And ta-da! It's all done. Dust of the Damned is finished. I hope you liked this tutorial, and hopefully you can make your own. Bye-bye!